Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Right, so today we are currently sitting in my partner's 2019 3008, which is in need of a oil change. Your light's just come up to say it needs a service. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to nip over to the unit. We're going to go and get some tools. The unit's still not cleared out yet. We have been speaking to the landlord. He keeps promising us it's going to get done, hence why there's been a bit of a hold up on content at the moment. We will get there. So yeah, let's get this started up. Let's get over to the unit. Let's get some tools and then we'll get back. Oh, foot on the brake. As you can see there, it just says now service due 200 miles ago. She does use it every day for work, so I don't always get access to the car. So that's hence why we've got it today. She's helping out at a nursing home local to here. So yeah, while we've got the car, while we've got the time, let's get it serviced for her. Hi everyone. Right, so he's actually a week later now. I did go over to lock up to get the bits to do the oil change on the car, but my jacks I didn't know was leaking. So I'm actually going to be taking it to my son's garage where he works. Once we get there, get set up, I'll show you what I'm up to. But let's head over there and I'll catch you guys over there. Right, so we're just currently on our way to the garage. Oh, turn that down before we get demonetised. Yeah, I can't film where we're actually going to. I can set you up, get you set up once I've got the car on the ramp, because I don't want to disclose where he works. Shouldn't really be using the ramp, but he's been kind enough to let us use the ramp. So let's get it over there, let's get it up in the air, and then I'll pick you guys up. Right guys, here we are. We'll get the other tray off and set you up with the time lapse, and let's get this done. So yeah, I'm just looking for the oil filter, realised it was above, then realised I had to take off the charge pipe for the turbo and the air induct pipe, which you can see me doing here, and then I can access or even see the oil filter. Alright guys, so we've got all the oil out. What I'm going to quickly do is give me a quick clean up, get the under tray back on, and then I'll catch up with you after. I'll stick you back on time lapse and then we'll get this sorted. Right, so now we just topped up with oil. I work for IMF Motor Factors, so we sell this as one of our mid-range oils. It's a good oil. It's not approved, but it's recommended. So I've used that, and I've also used a Blueprint oil filter. Again, really good quality, OE equivalent. One of the best filters in my eyes that you can fit. So we just literally filled it up now. We're just waiting for it to drain down, get up to level. Yeah, so let's just check it again quickly while we're here. Yeah, got a little bit more. Let's just add a little bit more on into that. And I have got my trusty camera lady with me today. Say hello, babe.
Hi.
Oh, we have got a little bit excited there. one last dip. Hopefully we should be, we're virtually on the money there. So we'll run it up now, we'll get it running. We'll let this oil circulate, let it drain down a little bit, and then we'll double check the oil, and we'll come back to you. So we're just going to quickly run it up, get the oil circulating. Just make sure all the lights on the dash and everything are going out. We have got to reset the service light, which we'll do in a minute. I may have to get that done. Marvellous from Marvellous Cars, follow his YouTube channel, very good mechanic. He'll come to my factors and get it reset for me. Alright, so that's literally, that's all we need. So we let it settle, just quick check the oil. Yep, as you can see, nicely up to the mark. It's all perfectly fine. Give it a quick wipe. Another quick dip. I will check it again when we get home. Yep, perfectly fine. Give it another check when I get home. I'm going to get this cover on. Grab the cover. And that's that all done. We're just going to nip it through the car wash and we'll catch you out on the other side. Right guys, so we're just going to quickly take through the car wash and then we'll pick you up the other side, and then what we'll do is we will get the service light reset. It's literally a really easy job, so just bear with us while we get this washed. Nice and clean, all serviced. All we've got to quickly do now is just put the mirror back, and then let's just jump inside, get this service light reset, and then yeah, what we're going to quickly do now is we're just going to quickly reset the service light. So if we pop the ignition on, it will say that it's due a service. Now let's start it up, then it will tell us it's due a service. There we go. It says it's 350 miles overdue. What we're going to do is we're just going to quickly reset that. So we turn the ignition off. We press and hold the mileage reset button and press and hold the ignition. It will come on and it will start a countdown in the corner just there. And when it gets to 0, that's it. It says that it's been, regeneration is done. You'll notice now that the spanner light's gone out. We did have a spanner light up in the corner, but that's now gone. So we just start the car up, and there we go. No more warnings. Right guys, so that's going to be the end of the video for today. Like I said before, I'll put the link in the description box down below for Marvellous's channel. He's called Marvellous Cars. Go and check him out. He's a really good YouTuber, really good mechanic in the West Sussex and surrounding areas. He's a really good guy. Go and check him out. Give him a like, give him a subscribe, tell him I sent you. And if you need any bits, come see me at IMF in Small Doll. See you later.